What are the best breakfast ideas for Pitta? One of the most common searches on Google is Pitta Ayurveda breakfast. And it's no wonder, because Pitta often wakes up hungry. Pitta Dosha is related to the fire element. In Ayurveda, the fire element is called Agni. And because Pitta Dosha has a lot of fire to their constitution, they generally have a strong digestive fire and a good appetite at mealtimes. This means they usually wake up hungry and ready for a hearty meal. Now, while a lot of Pitta people do love to cook, they love playing with fire, they can often make elaborate, creative gourmet meals. Pitta is also a dosha that gives focus, concentration, someone who may be very goal-oriented. And so often people who are of Pitta dosha wake up not only hungry, but really ready to get on with the day. And so for them, breakfast might just be about fueling up and moving on. So what are some good breakfast ideas for Pitta? Well, one idea to start is a bowl of grains. Ayurveda really does love a bowl of grains for breakfast. You can add different seeds to it. So if you had a rice or an oatmeal, amaranth, or millet, you could add a plant-based milk. You could add flaxseed, chia seed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds, all kinds of seeds. Really, that's very excellent for Pitta. Seeds are like the earth element, and earth can sometimes really put out the fire. So it can help to be balancing. Grains are sweet, and the sweet taste is a good taste for Pitta. The other thing that one could add to a bowl of grains would be something like a sunflower butter, and that will add a little bit extra protein. A second idea is to go for something hot and savory, something like a tofu scramble, a lentil vegetable stew, or a veggie omelet. This would be a great hearty way to really start the day strong. Then one could go with something quick and easy, like an avocado toast, a sun butter toast, Chyavanprash, or a homemade berry jam on toast. Toast is excellent. It's somewhat dry and helps to dry up some of the extra water element that is also associated with the Pitta dosha. I love something that comes from South India, which is a little bit like khichdi in a crepe. You could call it a khichdi crepe. It's basically very, very quick and easy to make as long as you prepare ahead of time. Overnight, you soak rice and a mung dal. In the morning, you blend it all together. You throw off the excess water, you blend it all together. And then you pour that into a skillet and you make a little crepe or a pancake. That is a great micronutrient, high protein, high fiber, great way to start the day. And you can add things to that. You could add that lentil vegetable stew to that. You could add your tofu scramble to that. You could braise some greens and add that. So there's a lot of ways you could go. You could even make it a peanut butter and jelly roll. You could do it with a sun butter, not peanut butter, but a sun butter, and an apple butter. Or you could even roll up some honey in that, or some maple syrup, add a little bit of your favorite spice, and just really have it plain. So that's a great way to start. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious, it's hearty. And finally, my favorite, especially in the summertime, and it's a favorite because it's so easy and it's done in the morning when you wake up. You're gonna make a simple chia pudding. You can make a chia berry pudding, but the basics of it are to just take the chia seeds, mix it with some almond milk or coconut milk at night, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of sprinkle of pink salt, and just a really small amount of maple syrup or a little drop of stevia. You let that sit overnight. In the morning, you add 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water so that you bring that up in terms of the temperature, so it's not cool or cold to the belly, but it's actually the right temperature. You're not heating it so much, but it's also warmer than room temperature. That is really good with roasted coconut flakes, with roasted seeds, and as I said, maybe even a handful of blueberries. So that's a quick and easy one. I hope this gives you some good ideas, and I hope you enjoy your breakfast. Thank you. Stay strong.